Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I uploaded my last video. I was busy with my exams and whatnot. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can install Minecraft Spigot version 1.16.4 without port forwarding and auto server starter and stopper. With auto server starter and stopper. So let's get started. So first, go to your web browser and download Node.js. Search Google for Node.js and you can see that download is written here. Just click on download, click on LTS and click on Windows installer. So I have already downloaded it. I'm just gonna download it again. Okay, so we're just gonna download it again for you to see. So always use the LTS version because it is more stable than the current version. Now it's done. Now go to the folder. Here is the software. Just double click on it and install it. Accept the license terms. You don't need to change anything here. Keep this unticked, don't tick it, and just install. Well, this is being done. Let's go ahead and download Java 8. JDK, Java 8 JDK, and download the latest version for your operating system. Mine is Windows 64-bit. So if you have an 86 bits, you can download the 86-bit. You can check it from properties. So there we go, properties. I have Windows 64 based, so I'm going to install 64. But if you have 86 based, you can use 86. So I'm just going to download, accept this and download. Okay, Node.js has installed successfully. Just finish. So you need to open an account in Oracle to be able to download their files. But I'm not gonna do that here. I'm just gonna go ahead and search for it. Java 8 JDK download, and there should be this right here, openlogic.com. So select the version, operating system, architecture, and JDK, not JRE. Okay, wait, let me check if it's JDK or JRE. I actually forgot, so let me just check. So it's JRE, not JDK. So just download JRE and 64-bit and 86-bit. Just download this one. This has both of them, so this is much better. You don't have to know which one you have. Sorry, download the latest version. Okay, this is the latest version. Okay. So it's done. So now open it. Next. So here you have to set this like this. Just do as I do. Now next, install, and yes, finish. So that's done. So now the work is done. Now you can go to description of this video and download this RAR file. It contains everything. So just extract here. So you can use WinRAR to extract this. So you can download WinRAR very easily. Just type in WinRAR and you can just download it from here. So if you don't have it, just download it from here. Now go into this folder and click here and type in cmd. So open up a command prompt in this directory and just type in np. No, okay, you don't have to do that. Actually, there is the installer, server stopper and starter. This will install the server stopper and starter for this server version. I didn't remember that I created this, so just double click on this. Oops, double click on it and wait. Don't press in this area or it will pause. If you accidentally click here, the installation will pause. So don't click here. To unpause, just click the opposite button. So if you right clicked on it, just left click to unpause. If you left click on it, just right click to unpause. So you don't have to do anything, just wait and it will automatically finish and tell you to press any key to continue. Okay, it's done. Now you can start the server. So start server.bat, just double click on it and it will automatically start the server for you. Okay, now server has started. Now it will listen for any player trying to connect to the server. When they try to connect, the server will automatically start. So let me just show you an example. So open up T launcher. I'm gonna use T launcher for this. I recently uninstalled Java and installed it again. That's why this is coming up. So I'm just gonna fast forward it here. Okay, it's done. So now to launch the launcher. Okay, so I'm using version 1.16.4 as you can see from the title of the video. So I'm just gonna open it up and try to connect to this server. When I try to connect to it, it will automatically start, and when there are no players, it will automatically stop after 60 minutes. So you can set that server timeout settings right here. I'm gonna show that to you in a minute. So let's go multiplayer. So allow this, both of them, allow these settings, allow access, and now add server. Now name the server whatever you want, and for your host machine, from where you are hosting the server, you can just press 0 and the port 25565. The port is not necessary, but it's good if you include it. Done. And as you can see, sleeping server waiting for his prince. Okay, that's cringy. Okay, so I'm just gonna try to join, and now you can see waking server up, come back in a while, and now the server will start. So you just have to wait. The first load up will take some time because it's gonna load up the worlds and the nether, the world end and whatnot. So you just have to wait. and done. Now you can connect to the server, but failed to verify username. This happens because you don't have a verified account. So to bypass this, so that you can play with a cracked account like Java, so you just have to stop the server. Sorry, press stop again if it doesn't stop for the first time. So now the server has stopped, so close this. Now here, online mode settings, double click on this, and here it says true or false. So if you want the online version, you can set true, but if you want to play with the cracked version, you have to write false here, FALSE, false. So no space, no capitalization, only false, and hit enter. I have to wait, and done. Now press any key to continue. Now let's start the server again. Start server.bat. Okay, now it's done. Now go to Minecraft and try to connect again. So it will wake up the server now. This time it will not take that much time because the world is already created. And it's done. So let's try to connect again. As you can see, now it's loading terrain and it's connected. So now I can play with the cracked version. Okay, so there is another settings that I have to show you. So after I disconnect, the server is empty, shut down in 60 minutes. So if there is nobody in the server, it will automatically shut down in 60 minutes. If you want to change these settings, just close this, first type stop to stop the server. Okay, type it again. Sometimes it doesn't work the first time. And after it's Minecraft stopped, you can close this. Now server timeout settings, double click on this and set how much time you want in minutes for the server to stop after there are no players. So I'm just gonna set it to 1 and hit enter. So now after 1 minute, if there is no players connected, the server will automatically stop. So let's test that. Start the server again, and now I'm gonna connect and let it wake up. Okay, done. Now I'll connect. Now I will disconnect. So now it will shut down in 1 minute. So I'm just gonna wait for 1 minute, see if it works or not. You can skip ahead if you don't want to wait. Wow, 1 minute seems like eternity now. There we go. Server empty, shutting down. And this will now restart to the listening. So now if you want to connect again, you just have to connect and it will start up again. So when you are doing this, don't click on this command prompt or it will, okay, you have to go to properties and unclick this quick edit mode and hit OK. Go to properties and untick this quick edit mode and OK. What this will do is, if you click on it, now it will not select anything here, and this is better because it will not cause the server to pause. Sometimes the server pauses automatically if you click on this, so do that. So I'm just gonna log in again and disconnect again. So shut down in 1 minute. I'm just gonna pause the video for 1 minute. So it has been 1 minute, and as you can see, the server stopped automatically. So you can check the time if you don't believe me. So yeah, that's how you can automate your server. So now sorry for interrupting, forgot to tell you how to change the amount of RAM you want to use for the server. So go to the Minecraft Spigot server folder and just double click on server RAM amounts. So how much you want to use, the default is 2 GB. So if you want to use 4 GB, just press 4 and hit enter and press any key to continue, and done. Now the server will run with 4 GB. If you want to manually edit those settings, just go to sleeping settings.yml, and here you can see 4 GB. If you want to change to MB, here you can type in 512 MB or M. Or if you want to change it to GB, so I'm gonna just go ahead and use 2 GB. So here both of them to 2, and that's how you do it. But I recommend using this auto. I have already set up everything. You just need to press in the amount. So if you want to use 1 GB, you can also use 1 GB. Okay, thank you. I'm just gonna close it, and now I'll show you how you can port forward this to your, without port forwarding you can play with your friend. So if you don't have a router, or you are using a modem or phone network or a hotspot, you can use this method. So first of all, go to ngrok.com and open an account here. So ngrok.com and sign up. Now you have to sign up an account here. So I have already signed up, so I'm just gonna log out. So let me sign up. So here your name, your email, your password, and solve the captcha and sign up, then log in. So I'm just gonna log in. So after you have logged in, you will be redirected to this page. So just copy this authentication. You have to very carefully copy it from the start to finish, no space, no gaps, like this, and you have to run this ngrok auth token for the first time only. You don't need to run it again. So just double click on it and paste and hit enter. Done. So, and hit enter again and done. You don't have to worry about that again. This is only for the first time. Then you just need to start ngrok.bat. So here you have to choose the region that is closest to you. So if you stay United States, you can press United States, US. If close to India, then IN, Europe, EU, and so on. So I'm close to India, so I'm gonna press IN, no capitalization, no spaces, just the initials, and press enter. And now is forwarded to this IP address right here. So you have to copy from here to here. So just right click, mark, copy here to here, go here, edit, copy. So you have to give this to your friend so that he can connect. So give this to your friend and tell him to direct connect to this server. So I'm just gonna paste it here with Ctrl V. So you have to just select this to this part, not anything else, not this part, or it will not work. So just do as I do and join the server. Okay, sorry, I forgot to start the server. So start the server. Now go to direct connection. I pasted it here and join server. As you can see, I can join the server with this link now. But there is a problem. If you have to keep this tab open or it will not work. So if you close this tab and start it again, you have to start all over again. So in IN for India, and the port will change for this link. So every time you start, you have to give your friend this link every time you close this port or your internet gets disconnected. So I'm just gonna mark from here to here and just gonna copy it. So remember to go to properties and untick this quick edit mode, or the server may automatically pause if you click here and there in the command prompt. So be careful on that or it will not work. So as you can see, this is my local host. So I'm just gonna try to connect it with my IP that I just copied. So this is the IP that I copied from there. So I'm just gonna try to join with this, and as you can see, I can join with my online address, and the network is also very strong. So you can share this link with your friend and play with them if you want to. And if you have any problems regarding breaking blocks or something, Spigot version sometimes has a problem with your friends not being able to break blocks. So you just have to scroll down, go to server properties and double click on it, and you can see spawn protection and set it to from 16 to 0 and save this file, and done. Now that problem will be solved. So that's it. That's how you can create a Minecraft server and play with your friends without any port forwarding or anything like that, and also with auto starter and stopper. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and like this video. It will be much appreciated. Thank you for watching.